Hi there traders, and welcome to the latest edition of the Keyzone Traders Trading Tips video series. And this week we're going to give a bit of a tip about mindset and how to try and stop your emotions hijacking your trading decisions. Okay, so a lot of people fail at trading. We've spoken a lot about this recently. Is not to do with their actual technical ability to trade, but it's because they allow their emotions to dictate their trading decisions when they're in a trade. And this often happens through maybe taking a loss and then trying to revenge trade, or trying to get that money back and sort of chase losses. And if you feel a strong emotional response to the result of a trade, and actually this could even be in response to a positive, or what could be conceived to be a positive emotion. So say you have a really good winning trade, happens really quickly, you have that adrenaline rushing through you, you're still susceptible to having those emotions hijack your decision making and actually making you make bad trading decisions. So one tip that I would give you, and this is something that I started doing very early in my trading career actually, was when something happens and you feel a strong emotional response, tell yourself out loud, it's just a trade. It puts that trade into perspective, makes you realize that it is just one trade. One trade does not define our career, or it should not define our career. It's fairly insignificant in terms of the whole overall picture. It's just a trade that's playing out as per our plan and creating that positive expectancy. So when you feel a strong emotional response, whether that to be to a losing trade, a winning trade, any strong emotional response, tell yourself it's just a trade. And maybe even take 5 minutes, step away when you do that. Take 5 minutes, step away from your computers to stop yourself from reacting to that emotional response. Go and make yourself a cup of tea, walk the dog. Just take 5 minutes out to allow yourself to rationalize, come back, engage that deliberative side of your brain, and make proper, sound trading decisions.